Hi everybody, Amy Sweezy here at SHOT Show. I am at Blue Force Gear. This is Stephen Hilliard. Thank you for being here.
Nice to meet you.
So tell me about what you are showcasing here at SHOT Show.
So I would say that we've got 3 new products that we're really proud of this year. The first one is right here behind us on the mannequin. This is the integrated stealth harness, or the ISH, designed in conjunction with Ish Antonio, renowned legendary PJ and longtime climbing expert. And so it is a belt system that incorporates a curved gun belt, so it's naturally fitted to the body, really comfortable out of the box. But then it also has this removable leg strap system that turns it into a UIAA 105 certified Type C climbing harness. The leg loops are also these color coordinated buckles. They're reversible, so you can switch the leg loops up and wear it like a sit harness instead of leg loops. Or you can wrap it around the pelvis and use it as a pelvic binder. So if you're using climbing equipment, the chance of a fall is always there, it's always present. And so if you were to take a bad fall and severely injure your midriff, your pelvis, that could bind that up so that they could get you to higher care.
Wow. You know how people will say, oh, this is a 3-in-1 tool. I feel like this is like a 45-in-1 tool.
Yeah, no, that's exactly right. At its core, if our customers don't know anything else about it, it's the best gun belt on the market. It's fantastic.
And talk to me about some of the things that you have down here too.
Yeah, sure, sir. So this is part of a belt system that we've created. So certainly it's MOLLE compatible. It's already got the loops on it for that. But what we've done is we've designed a system of pouches that use a bolt-up system that will bolt the pouches directly to the belt. You get a really, really secure attachment. The pouches can be rotated through about 60 degrees in either direction. So if you want to cant your magazine pouches for easier access, you can do that. You can wear pouches upside down, sideways, whatever. I think that we're pretty well known for our line of trauma kits. We've been doing those nearly since day one, and we've always innovated there. This year we wanted to strive to get a small, compact trauma kit on every first responder in America. And so we really thought about what those first responders would like to have on there. What are the essentials for that kind of work? And we think that a tourniquet is absolutely essential. If you've got a tourniquet on you, you can treat any kind of life-threatening wound to the extremities where you've got severe bleeding. And then a Narcan dispenser. Narcan, opiates are an absolute plague that's sweeping across our country. And we know that first responders have really struggled with those kinds of treatments. And having that on you is always the best way to get that treatment onto the patient as quickly as possible.
Okay, so it's great to be here at SHOT Show. However, if people want to find you all throughout the year, where do they do that? What's your website?
You can find us on social media, Instagram, Facebook, X, Blue Force Gear Official, or they can go to our website, www.blueforcegear.com.
Perfect. All right, Stephen Hilliard, Blue Force Gear. Thank you so much.
Thanks for coming.
We appreciate your time. I'm Amy Sweezy for SHOT Show TV.